Hello friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. Welcome to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House, the September 2023 version. In this mini-series, I am going to demonstrate 12 projects plus 3, yes, you heard it right, 3 bonus projects that were designed for these attendees. Now, in the past, I had shared the event venue with you, but today I am sharing the faces and excitement of the attendees. We had a really special time together. Lots of laughter, fun, food, and goodies. That's what crafting is all about to me. I had a really amazing team that helped me out too. I am blessed with the best of friends. Thank you guys. So the book that everyone is excitedly showing you is a card design sketchbook called The Card Maker's Companion. The link is below if you want to order one for yourself. They're sold on Amazon. Now, let's get into the projects. This is it, folks. This is the final card for Crafting at the Lake House September 2023 edition. So these were the products that the attendees received in their swag bag. So they got the Beary Cute stamp set. They also got the Beary Christmas Memories and More card pack and the Beary Christmas Designer Series paper with what I'm working with here. And they also got a Night of Navy ink spot and some adhesive back glitter sequins and balmy blue sparkle ribbon. They got lots of products. So this was one of the projects that they could take home if they wanted to and complete at home, or they could do it right at the lake house. So here is the lovely little stripy piece. I call this the ugly sweater piece. I cut off the trees and then I cut off sort of like this little banner here, and I just needed it for some designing for the sentiment piece. So we are going to cut our paper here, the one with all the gifts on it. We're going to cut it down to 4x6 because this particular paper is going to fit on the Memories and More card pack, and those card packs or those cards are a different shape than we're used to. They're not the quarter size of cardstock. They're actually 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, if I believe correctly, when folded in half. So we cut this designer series paper down to 4x6, and it's going to fit perfectly right on top of this card base. I find that the card bases sometimes are a little bit flimsy too. So one thing is that you could do to sturdy that up is put an insert in on the inside where you write your sentiment. So here I have the nested essential die, and it is stitched. And what I did here was put some adhesive along that tree line strip of paper, and I put it on the, I don't know, just the very bottom, towards the bottom, I should say. And then I trimmed off the excess, and then I'm going to take some regular glue and I'm going to glue this little extra strip here as well. So when I created this sample, I wanted to show that you can cut the paper into bits and use them separately, because I found that if I was to just use this die cut label on the card, it might be a little boring because it's a pretty busy background. And it is nice to have a sentiment that is clear and concise, but it's also really nice to have just a little bit of embellishment. So I am using the Night of Navy regular ink pad, but everyone got an ink spot. And here I inked up the Merry Christmas and stamped it down right in between those two little strips of paper. And I love that sentiment. It just is lovely. It's simple, but it's not too simple because there's a little zhuzhing. And funnily enough, I did use the adhesive back glitter sequins, and I put them up in the top right hand corner, but I don't think I caught that on film, so you're going to have to look at the stills, which are coming up. So again, thank you so very much for watching, for subscribing, for thumbs upping, for commenting. I appreciate you guys, and we're back to regular broadcasting next week, and bye for now.